What is forgiveness? Forgiveness is the release of the control that they still have on you through your emotions.
Yes.
That are still attached to what happened. So when you separate the feeling that is attached to the event or events itself, you can forgive and release that control. Because listen, if you do not forgive the person or people that have hurt you, that pain, that anger will eat you alive.
Yes.
We all have heard that phrase. Hurt people hurt people.
True.
Right?
True.
Yeah, we've heard it. And it is absolutely true.
Yes.
It's the bully mentality.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? And a lot of people don't like to see themselves as bullies. But you are. When you mentally, emotionally, physically, psychologically hurt yourself and other people, you are either bullying yourself or you are bullying others.
Facts.
If you do not forgive them, you will repeat the cycle of abuse. You will either end up harming yourself or other people, either physically, emotionally, mentally, or psychologically. So you must forgive for your own peace and everybody else's.
Yes. Coming up next, part 5.
Yes, indeed. Check it out.